Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to decorate my dining table in black and white fall/Thanksgiving tablescape. This video is a part of close collaboration hosted by Anne of Glam, designed by Anne, Petalisbless, Antonette Decorating, Sheryl of iSTYLEMYSTYLE, SHANNA, LAKALE, and myself, Glamour. So everyone, I'm giving you two ideas in black and white. The first table will be Glam Modern Farmhouse. The second one will be pumpkin pots of all high-end table setting. Alright, let's get it started. Starting off with my buffalo chick plaid placemat and tablecloth. Placemat from Home Goods and my tablecloth from Ross. And this one is purchased last year. My dinnerware, this one came from Salvation Army and it was $1.99. 50% off. This is Magnolia Homes by Joanna Gaines from Target. So this one will be my dinnerware. I will be using Dollar Tree salad plate. Also, I'm going to use the buffalo chick plaid checkered pattern and my cute pumpkin also in buffalo chick plaid. Charger from Michael's last year. Napkin from Home Goods last year as well. Small pumpkin from At Home this year. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to the rest of the ladies' channel. Their link will be in my description box. In my head of the table wine glasses, I'm using the Dollar Tree and At Home. My centerpiece, it's all about lantern. So this table setting, I'm not gonna put any greenery in this one. I'm just gonna put lantern and I will put a fall accent inside the lantern and also pine cones. And with a touch of glam, I use my martini glass as a candle holder and I put a floating candles in there. I hope you get this idea, guys. Try this, it's very, very unique.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
Now, let's move on to table number 2. Here guys, and table setting, I would like to create a Glam pumpkin pot, so I use my mirror charger from Hobby Lobby as a runner. Candle holder from TG Maxx and my candle from Hobby Lobby. This one right here guys is a gift to me of my friend Sheryl. This is a memory of him. He died in cancer. We're gonna be 2 years now this coming November. So I'm really grateful to have a memory of him here in this Tablescape. Here guys is my DIY 2 years ago. This one from Burlington 2 years ago. Everyone, welcome to my table number 2 in Glam elegant setting in black and white. I hope you like it.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our
If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Everyone, don't forget to stop by the rest of the ladies' channel. All their link will be in my description box. Let me know what you think about these two styling ideas of black and white fall tablescape in modern farmhouse and the glam and elegant setting black and white fall tablescape. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you.